Did you know that weak passwords are one of the biggest vulnerabilities in personal and professional cybersecurity? As hackers evolve, so must our defenses. That's why we're diving into the top password generators of 2024, tools designed to keep your online identity and data safe. This video is essential for anyone looking to create highly secure passwords effortlessly, manage multiple credentials effectively, enhance their overall online security without hassle. NordPass offers a robust password generator that creates secure passwords, up to 60 characters long, customizable with uppercase, lowercase, digits, symbols, or combinations thereof. It also features an option to exclude ambiguous characters for clarity. The in-app generator allows immediate saving of passwords and is available in the free version of NordPass, with premium features accessible via promo codes. Dashlane provides a secure online and in-app password generator, enabling users to create passwords between 4 and 40 characters long, with customizable options for numbers, letters, symbols, or combinations. The generator features a strength indicator using color codes: red for weak, orange for medium, and green for strong. Dashlane also includes a comprehensive password manager for storing and managing multiple login credentials. KeePass is a free, open-source password manager with a robust built-in generator. While its setup can be challenging, it offers powerful features, including predefined password compositions and customizable rules. Users can generate standard random passwords or specify criteria such as uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and special characters with ease. The Strong Password Generator is a simple and secure online tool for creating unbreakable passwords directly on your computer, ensuring they are never stored online. Users can customize password length and composition, with support for uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. It can generate exceptionally long passwords, up to 1 million characters, although such lengths are rarely needed. Each password also comes with a QR code for easy transfer to other devices. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Talk for more tech tips and reviews.